Oh dear. That's a little... Uh, that was a little episode. Oh, guess I won't be needing this then. It worked. I, maybe a little too well. It's a little... Feel really energized and all the weird stuff around me. I can sense so much energy inside you. How long do you think this will last? Is it okay for me to be like this? Hmm. I feel like my senses are heightened. Maybe you can use your powers to say to the Boosties. I guess I could. It's worth a try. I mean, Galaxy did tell me that I was the balance between my brothers, so... If life can resurrect people, then surely I can heal at the bare minimum. Where are they? In my basement. Alright, let's... Follow me. Yep. Oh, it was... under there. Oh, yeah. It's a long drop. A drop? Oh, wow. Hey, are you three alright? Hello, friends. I'm going to try something. Hello. I'm gonna try something real quick and just, I guess, bear with me and hope for the best. I guess I should stand back and concentrate. Alright. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. That worked on one of them so far. Alright. Now you. Can't believe this is working. Oh. I guess it carried over. Nowhere to go. Yeah. So... that worked, I guess. Didn't know I could do that. By the way, how do we get out of here? Yo, start healing powers. Oh wow. Oh my, I feel refreshed. I guess it does work. Oh. I guess there's a door there. Let's... Oh. Maybe be careful when opening these. Never would have spotted this. I still feel a little extra energetic than normal is. Is this gonna go away anytime soon, or...? It should. Alright, I guess I'll just have to wait for it to wear off. So, I saw that you helped everyone. Yeah, I did. I figured it out, partially. that's good. Thanks. Well, no problem. I felt obligated to do it after what happened, you know? Oh, that isn't too much of an issue. Didn't expect you to do something so major. Me neither. If I'm just in between of my brothers, then I wonder how powerful they'll be able to get. Brothers? Yeah, their names are Life and War, Steve. They came with me into the overworld, and we decided to split up for a month, see if we could find anything, do anything, and so now I'm here. I don't know about the others. We're gonna meet up. We have a rendezvous point that we planned. I hope you kill the weird-looking guys, but he hurt my friends. Life and War. I've heard about this. War Steve from something. I'm sure of it. Oh, I mean, that must mean he's doing things then, so that's good, I guess. Where from? Not sure. Well, I mean, if you figure out where, I'd be glad to know. See exactly what he's doing at this time. I can try. I might not be able to. That's alright. Well, I guess at least War is getting his name out there in some way. I don't have contact with anyone, so I mean, it's kind of hard to ask around. Yeah, I get that. Considering how far I was wandering. Since I can't leave, especially. Considering how far I was wandering, I guess everything's kind of few and far between. Me and Zazul are working on keeping the storm going, so we both need to stay here. Fair. Is it a barrier of some kind? It's a deterrent of sorts, I guess you could say. Oh, alright. I shall return to my house. Yeah. This needs are just used to cold. I haven't got quite cold yet either, so... yeah. You grew up in it, essentially. I shall see you around. Alright, then. So, bye, sir. When you spend your entire life in the cold, you get used to it. Yeah, sure. Sure you do. I hope this wears off soon. It's kinda... I'm gonna go back to my cathedral. Be sure not to cause any explosions of all energy. I'll try not to. It'll go away, I'm sure. Oh, I guess that finally wore off. Back to the rooftops for me, You know, for... whatever. I guess I'll just go back and rest. I kinda need it, I guess. Looks like that energy or whatever it was swirling around me is gone, so... I should probably rest after that. I know I just kinda sat there most of the time. Oh, I can see why these stairs need a railing now. Oh, Floral, there you are. Where have you been? I managed to heal the drained Steve somehow. Dr. Blue came, asked for help, and then I was getting worried. Yeah, sorry. I guess I probably should have told you, but you were sleeping there so peacefully, so I just kind of wanted to leave you alone for a bit. So what now? I'm just gonna rest for now, I guess. I mean, I've just learned one aspect of my powers, but I know there's probably many others I need to figure out before I can do anything, and so I just wanted to get some rest, and then if you can teach me anything, maybe eventually, that'd be nice too. All right. Yeah. So, are are you going to do anything now? I know the like the blue leader and Azul are trying to keep up the storm outside. Who knows? Yeah. I think I'm probably just gonna pick out a book and read. I already have two from earlier that I was reading, so... I guess that's what I'm going to do for now, then. If... I mean, I guess if I can help around more, tell the others to just come and ask. I'd be glad to do anything, really, now. Okay. Yeah. Goodbye for now. Bye. Yeah. Alright, let's see what's over here now, I guess.